Make your rod building surprisingly easy with Fuji EZ Epoxy, part of the complete EZ series system of tools and finishing projects from Fuji. No more difficult measuring and mixing. These eco-friendly single-use packets are pre-measured and only need to be mixed in the revolutionary EZ package. EZ Epo 2 features a new and improved aluminum reinforced packet for longer shelf life and easier use. No more yellowing while sitting in the bottle waiting for use. Each packet contains the same advanced two-part Fuji thread coating recommended by Fuji's legendary authorized rod builders. This is a modern, high-performance two-part epoxy now available in a convenient single-use package. Each packet contains enough Fuji epoxy to coat an entire 7-foot casting or spinning rod. No more precise measuring or extra tools required. And never again will your epoxy fail to cure and set up completely. Just follow the simple instructions to mix part A and B together, and you will be guaranteed the perfect ratio every time. This specially designed low viscosity formula has excellent bubble release properties and levels beautifully. No heat or thinner required. Typical two-part epoxies have a short 20 to 30 minute pot life, yet take several hours of rotation to cure completely. Fuji's advanced new Easy Epoxy formula offers extreme pot life, often longer than 45 minutes, with a very rapid cure cycle that requires rotating for only an hour on average. So you get more working time and a more rapid cure cycle. This is truly an advantage in rod building thread coatings. Recommended for both beginners and professionals alike, Fuji's revolutionary EZ Epo is available now wherever you get your Fuji products.